Welcome to my travel hacks and tips video. Today we're talking about something near and dear to my heart: travel. There's nothing quite like exploring new places, right? But let's be honest, sometimes getting there and staying organized can be, well, a little less than relaxing. I wanted to share some of my favorite travel hacks and tips. These are the tried and true tips and tricks I've learned over the years that make a world of difference. So, whether you're a seasoned jet setter or planning your very first adventure, stick around and let's turn those travel dreams into stress-free realities. Get ready to pack your bags and your sense of adventure. Before we explore the travel hacks, my fellow explorers, picture the excitement of being the first to enjoy our new videos, gaining exclusive access to behind-the-scenes content, and even influencing what we create. As a channel member, you'll be a vital part of our interactive community where your voice matters, and you have the unique power to shape our future content. Click the join button below to unlock these exciting benefits. And for more thrilling travel content, hit the subscribe button in the lower right corner of this video. Okay, first things first, planning. It might seem tedious, but it's the foundation of a smooth and enjoyable trip. I know, it's not the most glamorous part of traveling, but trust me on this one. A little effort now can save you a lot of stress later. Having a plan makes a world of difference. It transforms chaos into clarity and ensures you make the most of your time. Start by making a list of everything you need to do before you go. Booking flights, reserving accommodations, you know the drill. This way you won't miss any crucial steps. I even like to make a packing list so I don't forget anything essential. Think about the weather, the activities you'll be doing, and pack accordingly. Think about what you want to see and do at your destination. Make a list of must-visit places and experiences. Do some research and maybe even book some tours in advance, especially if it's peak season. This way, you won't miss out on popular attractions. And here's a little tip. Share your itinerary with a friend or family member back home. It's a safety measure and gives you peace of mind. It's always good to have someone in the loop, just in case. They can help if you run into any issues or need assistance. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in preventing travel hiccups. It allows you to relax and enjoy your trip to the fullest. And who wants to spend their precious vacation time stressing? Not us. So take a deep breath, plan ahead, and get ready for an amazing adventure. All right, let's talk packing. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, packing efficiently can make your journey so much smoother. Have you ever seen those people at baggage claim wrestling with these massive suitcases? It's not a pretty sight, and it can really put a damper on your travel experience. We don't want to be those people. Instead, let's aim to be the ones gliding effortlessly through the airport with just a small, manageable suitcase. The key is to pack light. It might seem challenging at first, but with a few smart strategies, you can fit everything you need without overpacking. Choose versatile clothing items that you can mix and match to create different outfits. Think layers and neutral colors that can be dressed up or down. And don't forget accessories. They can really change up a look. A scarf, a hat, or some jewelry can transform your outfit without taking up much space. Now here's my favorite packing hack: rolling your clothes instead of folding them. This technique not only saves space, but also keeps your clothes more organized. It saves so much space, it's like magic. You can fit more items in your suitcase and still have room for souvenirs. Plus, it helps prevent wrinkles. Bonus: no more worrying about ironing when you reach your destination. And when it comes to toiletries, remember those travel-sized containers? They're your best friends. You can find them at most stores, and they save a ton of space. No need to lug around those giant bottles. Just bring what you need in smaller containers, and you'll be good to go. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing. The less you bring, the less you have to worry about. You'll thank yourself when you're breezing through the airport. Efficient packing means less stress and more enjoyment on your trip. Happy travels! Let's talk about technology, people. It's amazing how much our smartphones can do these days. Our phones can be our best travel companions if we use them right. They are like having a personal assistant, guide, and translator all in one. There are so many amazing travel apps out there that can make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. First up, navigation apps. These apps are essential for any traveler. These are lifesavers, especially when you're in a new city. They can guide you through unfamiliar streets and help you find your way back to your hotel. They can help you find your way around, avoid traffic, and discover hidden gems. Imagine stumbling upon a quaint little cafe or a beautiful park you wouldn't have found otherwise. Then there are apps for finding local restaurants, attractions, and even deals on activities. These apps can turn you into a local expert in no time. You can read reviews, browse menus, and even book reservations right from your phone. No more wandering around aimlessly looking for a place to eat. And don't forget about translation apps. These can be a real game changer. They can be incredibly helpful when you're trying to communicate in a foreign language. Whether you're asking for directions or ordering food, these apps can bridge the language gap. Just imagine being able to order that delicious pastry without any awkward hand gestures. Your phone can make your travel experience so much more enjoyable and stress-free. Stay hydrated, stay happy. The reusable water bottle rule. Okay, this one's simple but important. Staying hydrated is crucial when you're traveling, especially if you're doing a lot of walking or exploring in warm weather. But nobody wants to spend a fortune on bottled water, right? That's where the reusable water bottle comes in. Bring your own and fill it up whenever you can. Many airports and hotels have water refill stations these days, so it's super convenient. Plus, it's good for the environment. By using a reusable bottle, you're helping to reduce plastic waste, so you can feel good about staying hydrated and protecting the planet. It's a win-win. Important documents, keep them safe, keep them handy. Let's talk about keeping those important documents safe and sound. We're talking passports, visas, boarding passes, the works. Losing these is not an option. First things first, make digital copies of everything and store them securely online. That way, if anything happens to your physical documents, you'll have backups. I also recommend keeping your physical documents organized in a travel wallet or pouch, something that's easy to carry and keeps everything together. And here's a pro tip. Take a picture of your passport photo page and keep it on your phone. It's a lifesaver if you need to show your passport information and don't want to carry the actual document around. Book early, breathe easy. The power of advanced booking. Let's be real, finding the perfect place to stay can be one of the most exciting parts of planning a trip. But it can also be stressful if you wait until the last minute. My advice? Book your accommodations in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season or to a popular destination. This way, you'll have more options to choose from, and you're more likely to get the best rates. Plus, it's one less thing to worry about when you're on the road. You can relax knowing that you have a comfortable and welcoming place to rest your head after a long day of exploring. Okay, let's talk about travel insurance. I know, it's not the most exciting topic, but trust me on this one. It's one of those things you hope you never have to use, but you'll be so grateful for it if you do. Life is unpredictable, and things can happen while you're traveling. Flights get delayed, luggage gets lost, and sometimes people even get sick. Travel insurance is there to protect you financially and provide assistance if something unexpected occurs. It can cover things like medical expenses, trip cancellations, lost or stolen belongings, and even emergency evacuation. It's better to be safe than sorry, right? Learn local phrases, speak the language of connection. Imagine this, you're at a local market and you want to ask about a beautiful piece of handcrafted jewelry. Knowing a few basic phrases in the local language can make all the difference. It shows respect for the local culture and can lead to more authentic interactions with the people you meet. Plus, it's fun. You don't need to become fluent, but learning a few simple greetings, thank yous, and phrases like, "Excuse me" or "How much is this?" can go a long way. Stay connected. Share your adventures and emergencies. In today's connected world, it's easier than ever to stay in touch with loved ones while you're traveling. But it's not just about sharing those amazing vacation photos, although we love those. Staying connected is also important for safety reasons. Make sure you have a reliable way to contact family or friends back home in case of an emergency. Consider getting an international SIM card or a portable Wi-Fi hotspot so you can stay connected even without access to Wi-Fi. And be sure to let your loved ones know your itinerary and how to reach you. Stay healthy and safe. Your well-being on the road. Last but not least, let's talk about staying healthy and safe while you're on your adventure. Because let's face it, getting sick or injured is not on the itinerary. Pack a small first aid kit with essentials like bandages, pain relievers, and any medications you take regularly. It's also a good idea to carry hand sanitizer and to be mindful of food and water safety. Be aware of your surroundings and take precautions to protect yourself from theft or scams. And most importantly, listen to your body. If you're feeling tired, take a break. Don't push yourself too hard. In conclusion, we have come to the end of our exploration of travel hacks. So there you have it, my fellow explorers. Those are my top 10 travel hacks for stress-free adventures. Remember, a little planning and preparation can go a long way in making your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Now it's your turn. Get out there and explore this amazing world. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button to help support our channel. We're constantly dropping new content, so click that bell icon for notifications. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Share your tips, favorite vacation spots, or travel plans. We look forward to reading your comments and building a community of travel enthusiasts. We're grateful for your support and for taking the time to watch our video. We can't wait to share our next adventure. Stay tuned for our next video, in which we'll be exploring a new destination. Thank you.